Squats, one of the most powerful exercises you can do for strength, muscle growth, and overall fitness. But why are squats so effective? And how do they help you build muscular legs? Stick around as we break down the benefits of squats and how they can transform your lower body. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups at once. When you perform a squat, you're activating your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and even your core. This makes squats an efficient full leg exercise that also strengthens your lower back and stabilizes your muscles. Unlike isolation exercises, squats mimic real-life movements, improving your balance, flexibility, and mobility. Whether you're running, jumping, or simply picking something up, squats help build a solid foundation for strength and injury prevention. Want bigger, stronger legs? Squats are your best friend. Squatting with proper form and progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or reps, stimulates hypertrophy, leading to muscle growth. Research shows that squats trigger the release of growth hormones and testosterone, key factors in muscle building. The more muscle you build, the more calories you burn, even at rest. So if you're looking for strong, muscular legs, make squats a priority. There isn't just one way to squat. Here are some powerful variations to target your legs differently. Back squats, the classic barbell squat for full leg development. Front squats, emphasizes quads and core stability. Goblet squats, great for beginners to learn proper form. Bulgarian split squats, perfect for single leg strength and balance. Sumo squats, targets the inner thighs and glutes. Adding variety keeps your workouts challenging and prevents plateaus. Squats aren't just for bodybuilders. They're for everyone. Whether you're an athlete, fitness enthusiast, or beginner, squats will help you build muscular legs, boost your strength, and improve overall performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more fitness content, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite squat variation? Now go hit the gym and start squatting.